Hello everyone, I am Cleverfly, and this column Cleverfly's advice. And advice to you today: be willing to try something at least once. Whether you are eating something scary for the first time or browsing a new class at the gym, trying new things is never an easy feat. In fact, for many people, the pursuit of never before attempted activity is enough to cause a cold sweat. But know how affirming and life-enriching new experience can be, and considering that research suggests that most people have at least one major regret when they look back on their lives, you have to ask yourself, what is the harm? What's wrong with breaking out of your comfort zone from time to time? Considering that research suggests that most people have at least one major regret when they look back on their lives, there is no time like the present to start filling your life with new experience. See a Broadway show on or off, grow or catch your own meal, fly first class. Never get stuck with those what if questions. If you want to venture into a different career or try a new hobby, do the smallest thing you can experience. I hope this information will be useful. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!